Hey, hi, I'm just trying to record this. So you browse a file, you take the first input, and the summarizer will run it. Here it is running, and will create the required data output. Typically, as to give a start, it will give you 10 different goals, which are basically a hypothesis, like what are the most common nationalities among the respondents, the visualization, and what is the rationale behind this specific visualization. So total about 10 will be provided, and you can of course take a copy each of these images and you paste it in your report, or you could simply click these 3 points, take a print, and take a print out.